Hey Crypto Crew! Welcome back to NFTopia, your go-to spot for all things NFT, blockchain, and Web3. Today I'm back with another video about NFTs. This time I want to tell you a checklist for successful NFT collections. Well, there are thousands of NFT collections out there, and not all of them are valuable, and some may even be scams. So it's best that you watch out when choosing a collection to invest in. If you're uncertain about a collection, there are some simple ways to find out. So, if you're curious, stick around, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started on our adventure. Check these steps and make sure you are investing your money on a successful project. They have a compelling story, voice, vision, and a roadmap, which detail the future of the collection and ensures their audience know the answer to some essential questions in each project. This is how they capture people and make them committed. They know what is unique about their project and tell their community why they should buy this NFT. Second point is that you should pay attention where the collection is being sold and on which blockchain it was minted. While most NFTs are minted on Ethereum and sold on OpenSea, there are many other projects which use alternative blockchains and even create their own website or marketplaces. Third item is checking the collection's smart contract. Smart contracts are crucial to the value proposition and NFT collection gives buyers. Some early decisions are made during the time of making smart contracts, and they matter because features like royalties, rarity, and mint amount are fixed after the initial minting. Fourth thing that you should check is that the collection must be promoted by building hype and community. NFT launches are all about creating excitement and their community. The more excitement surrounding the collection, the more valuable they'll become. The next thing that you should check is that the collection must have first created a fun and fair NFT drop for its customers. This is very important among NFT-related topics because it's the best way to show people that they can trust a project and create community engagement and enthusiasm. Next thing that you should check is that there must not be a gas bidding war. As buyers fight over a limited supply of NFTs, they bid against one another on whose transaction will go through. This is called the gas bidding war. And it can drive up the cost of NFTs dramatically. While gas bidding benefits the miners, customers often end up spending more money than they expected or wanted. A good NFT collection knows its customer. A key element of making the NFT space fairer is proof of personhood, which means each participant is required to prove they're a real person. NFTs aren't currently regulated by KYC, but with the market growing fast, the concerns about the scams and money laundering, many suspect they still will be. The next thing is that on their launch day, they must have everything necessary for launch, such as clear channels of communication, customer service, social media channels, technical support. You should pay attention to these. Another point is that you should check their website. It must be prepared for the traffic surges that the NFT drops would lead to. It also shows that the team behind the project is professional or not. The last point to consider is that an NFT collection must create lasting value and innovation. Fans and community drive a collection's value, and the creator must consider having lasting values. Otherwise, the collection's lifetime would be very short. Creators give value to fans. Others see this value and want to be involved. The value of the NFT grows. On top of this, when people see the value original holders are getting out of the particular NFTs, they're more likely to participate in the next release. This means that your money will grow constantly. With these points considered, you can choose collections which will have a future and lasting value, and your investment will work perfectly well for you. So, if you enjoyed this friendly analysis and want to keep up with the latest in NFTs, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more.